What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy Wednesday, guys. Today is January the 14th. We are in Decatur. This is a new client. I came out about 2 weeks ago. As the same day they closed on the house. Congratulations. They are a couple. Had me come out to evaluate the floors, and we're going to be doing a screen and recoat for the upstairs and downstairs. Pretty nice size job. We're also going to be UV curing just the downstairs, and then we're also going to be doing the countertops. All right, so again, guys, that's my combo: wood floors and countertops. So with that being said, actually got a good phone call this morning from the job we did yesterday out in Alabama. Said the floors came out amazing. They really thanked me for that, so they didn't have to replace that floor. So let me flip this around, show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Decatur, Georgia. We actually got another project coming up, almost similar to this. A move-in. I went and did a consultation last week, and there was actually a referral from a client that I did. Going to be doing a screen and recoat on their floors as well. But anyway, let me show you what we got here. So look at this beautiful property, guys. They actually have a guest house back there. Look at that beautiful pool, man. All right. And then later on, when we're done here, we got to go down to Conyers and do a consultation. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is 2 floors. We got the main floor, which you can see is really, really worn. You're going to see a huge difference when we're done. So again, this is the screen and recoat process, my favorite process. And then we're also going to be doing these quartzite countertops. As you can see, they're very dull and worn. So we're going to clean, buff, polish, and seal these. Also, these leather quartz, which I've done these numerous times. I did one in Alpharetta just like this. He was so happy we did his kitchen. He had me come back and do all the countertops in the bathrooms, which is this exact same stone. So you can see, guys, how it's really worn right here in the high traffic areas. So we got all of this. We got this. Now this is definitely the original wood right here. Over here, like I said, it's a nice size job, guys. Here, all through here. The foyer here. And like I said, through here. Now I could tell that this is newer wood. This wood is newer than that wood, okay? So all of this. And then upstairs, let's go. And then upstairs, again, this is the original wood. See, it's really worn here, all of this. This room right here. And then we got these 2 rooms right here. And then this room right here, which is newer wood. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Historic Decatur. Old floors still got stories in them. They just needed the right hands. Pulled up in Decatur, Georgia, early morning light. Old home, solid bones, been standing through the times. The original floors creaking, but they ain't done yet. 2,000 feet of history, we bringing back respect. Screen it, coat it, smooth it, let it breathe again. UV cure, lock it in, yeah, that Truman blend. Ain't tearing nothing out, now we saving what's real. Let the wood talk back when the finish start to seal. The floor still talking, you just gotta listen. Old soul, new shine, yeah, we restore the vision. From the floors to the stone, bring the whole house alive. Truman system touching everything inside. Quartz countertops still lost their glow with time. Coffee stains, traffic marks, we cross that line. Clean it, buff it, polish, seal it up tight. Stones start reflecting like it called new life. New homeowners, fresh start, keys in hand. Moving day feel different when it's done right, man. One crew, one system, one day respect. From the floor to the counters, no corners getting left. This ain't just work. This preservation, craft over replacement. That Truman standard. Decatur floor still talking, hear 'em under your feet. UV cure says strong, yeah, the finish complete. Wood glow, stone shine, whole house aligned. Historic home restored, Truman stamp in time. Decatur, Georgia. Original floors, still standing, still talking.
Yeah. Star Decatur. Old floors still got stories in them. They just needed the right hands.
Yeah, pull up in Decatur, Georgia. Early morning light. Old home, solid bone. Been standing through the time. Oh, original floors creaking, but they ain't done yet. Yeah, 2,000 feet of history. Yeah, we bringing back respect. Yeah, screen it, coat it, smooth it, let it breathe again. UV cure, lock it in. Yeah, that Truman blend ain't tearing nothing out. Now we saving what's real. Let the wood talk back when the finish start to seal.
Decatur floor still talking.
Decatur floor still talking.
You just gotta listen.
Yeah,
Old soul, new shine.
yeah.
We restore the vision.
We restore the vision.
Run the floors to the stone.
Run the floor.
Bring the whole house alive.
Yeah.
Truman system touching everything inside.
Quartz countertops, dull, lost their glow with time. Coffee stains, traffic marks, we crossed that line. Clean it, buff it, polish, seal it up tight. Stone start reflecting like it caught new life. New homeowners, fresh start, keys in hand. Moving day feel different when it's done right, man. One crew, one system, one day. Respect from the floor to the counters, no corners getting left. This ain't just work. This preservation. Craft over replacement. That Truman standard.
Decatur floor still talking.
Decatur floor still talking.
Hear 'em under your feet.
Yeah,
UV cure set strong.
yeah,
The finish complete.
yeah. The finish complete.
Wood glow, stone shine.
For her shine.
Whole house aligned.
Yeah,
Historic home restored. Truman stamp in time.
Decatur, Georgia. Original floors. Still standing. Yeah, still talking.
My clients just got back. Letting them come on in and take a look at the floors. Come on in. You ain't gotta take your shoes off unless you want to.
I don't have socks on.
That's fine. You walk. It's cured. Yeah. All right. Check it out.
Yeah.
Nice. Definitely looks like a little refreshing.
But that, yes.
Yeah.
Counter. Look at the wood. Look at the wood block.
Oh my.
Shout
I
out.
didn't realize this color was that
Yeah.
red.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay, that's like almost the biggest.
That's it. I told Tavares, and he did that. Remember the coffee rings that was here?
Yeah.
Yep. See how smooth it feels
It
now?
really feels smooth. Yeah, there's no socks on it.
Yep.
Yeah, that
Oh,
is.
that's really
Oh my
amazing.
gosh, I can't believe it.
Look at Tavares.
Yeah,
Yes. Yep.
that definitely looks so much better.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But the floors, now you see what I was saying with, because remember at first you were talking about cleaning them? I said, nah, this floor needs some new finish. Now you see the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see the darkness that they're coming up, especially in the middle area.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Right. Maybe
Yep.
it's just a lighting too. It's like
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah, because the coating was wearing off. Like remember right here, I was really worn. Now you can't see it because we got new coating on it.
Okay.
They had a rug right there.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why it's a perfect line. They had a rug right there. Yep. That room right there didn't have any light, but it came out good. Yeah.
Yeah. Was it? Do you think the texture changed a little bit?
Nah.
Or no? Same.
Same texture.
Yeah.
All right, guys. The clients are happy. Floors came out. Yeah, you go upstairs,
Okay.
Floors came. Yeah, you walk by,
Okay. Maybe some they don't have that. Do you think the upstairs ones will turn out better?
Oh yeah, they can't. Yeah, they actually turned out a little bit better than I thought they would because they're so old.
They turned
But
out what?
better than I thought they would.
Better, yeah.
Because like I said, they were just so old.
Well, they look like
Yeah.
a little darker.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because we got new coating on them.
Yeah.
Because they had no again. That's what when you get new coating on the floor, it brings it back to life. So like you said, see how it looks darker now?
This one looks a lot.
A lot better. And this is the worst room.
This one was
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one definitely looks better.
Yep. And it almost blends in with the new room as well.
I was about to say it actually looks like.
Look like the new room, the new wood.
Oh, and this one too, actually.
Yep.
This one looks pretty nice too.
Well, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Now right here, I thought this was worn. This is actually white. This is white oak. They laced this wood in. So this wood is white oak.
Okay.
This is new wood that was put in.
Interesting. So
yeah.
you just put one or
Yeah, like 3 board.
a couple. Okay.
And then in here are your masters. Which was, again, this one was too bad, but you can see it's got new.
We all did end up doing this one.
Yeah, we did do this, yep.
Yeah. Which this one was like.
Yeah, it was probably the best room out of the whole house.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the newer wood. Thank you guys.
Yeah, that's great. Where
Thank
do you think it had the most like impact?
That room, and the kitchen coming in from the downstairs from the swimming pool, okay, it was just so warm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely tell the difference.
Thank you guys.
So I mean.